Google TV automatically opening problem solved. In today's video, we're going to solve a common problem where Google TV opens automatically on your device, even when you're not trying to use it. This issue can be annoying, but don't worry, we've got you covered, so let's dive right in. The first thing we'll do is check the auto start settings to see if Google TV has been set to open automatically when you turn on your device. Go to settings menu on your device and look for apps or applications. Now scroll down and select manage application. This is where you'll find a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and select Google TV from the list of apps. Once you open the Google TV app settings, look for an option like open by default or auto start. Under launch settings, make sure to disable any options that automatically opened the app or show notifications. Another possible solution is to make sure your Google TV app is up to date. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Google TV and check if there's an update available. If there is, install the latest version of the app. And that's it. These are some of the quick fixes on how to fix the problem of Google TV opening automatically.